Assalamu alaikum. So I'm going to show you guys how to cast your laptop screen on your smart TV screen. So for that we have to go to your setting at first. Go to your start menu, find your settings from somewhere here. You can type settings directly. So go to your settings, and to cast your laptop screen on your smart TV, you have to go to this option on Bluetooth and devices. You're going to click on that, and you're going to find an option in here, an option that's called devices. You can click in here, add device, and there you're going to see some options, more options, which is Bluetooth, wireless display, or dock, and everything else. So you don't need the Bluetooth, you just need the wireless display. So I'm going to click on this one, and then you're going to find your devices, smart devices like smart TV, in the same Wi-Fi network. And I'm going to I have already found my TV in here, smart TV. So I'm going to click on this, and that's very simple. And this request has gone to my smart TV, and it's already connected. See, it lags a bit, so the lags is over. So this is it. So I'm going to cross it, and I'm going to do whatever I want, and I can cast everything in my screen on the smart TV. The next part is when you want to disconnect your screen from the smart TV. So in the same way I showed you before, you're going to go to the setting menu, and you're going to the very same option, add device. So here you can see it's already been connected already. So you just have to click on the disconnect button, and there you go. It's already been disconnected. That's it. Thank you.